Hello, welcome to the course of Internet of Things using NodeMCU, MicroPython, and PyCharm. We have developed this course keeping in mind there is a requirement or necessity for a course which tries to teach people about Internet of Things in the minimum cost possible in terms of hardware. Coming to the course content, in the course we'll be touching few things like what is basically Internet of Things and what are the required hardwares and where are the sources you can get them. And we also deal with flashing the NodeMCU board using a GUI flasher and also ESP tool, an MPF shell, and PyCharm. The contents are like this. You'll have few primary labs followed by few projects. Labs are nothing but will give you a basic introduction to the particular interfaces that you are supposed to use, like normal IOs or the pulse width modulation pins or the ADC. When it comes to projects, the course deals with five kinds of projects. One being logging the temperature and humidity sensor data onto a ThingSpeak platform and also to IO Adafruit platform. And we'll also see how to control devices through internet. And we'll also see how to trigger few events for some actions. And we'll also see how to control devices using Google Voice Assistant.